Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today my son and I are baking these high protein refined sugar-free muffins that are not only healthy but super fun to make with your kids, and they're perfect for breakfast.
Alright, switch those up. On the side. Okay, keep doing that. They kind of look like mashed potatoes a little bit. It's okay. Keep going. You're right. What? Oh, that's my fault. Okay. You need it smack across the top, okay? Now use that one. No, into this cup. You gotta get the right amount. So put it into this cup. That's our measuring cup. It's okay.
Cooking is a big part of our homeschool curriculum because it teaches so many valuable skills like math, when we measure, reading, when we follow recipes, and even science when we watch the muffins rise in the oven.
Don't spin the bowl.
These muffins are packed with natural ingredients, no protein powder, and no refined sugar, just wholesome goodness. Plus, these are kid approved, as you'll see in our taste test at the end.
First, we need the right amount. So we need a half a cup of oats. Oh, that's good, yeah. Okay, can you knock them all off with the little wiper? Let go. That's all we do. Just let it on the top. Now, so we don't have any oats now. We're making our oats. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. Let's take it off and look at it. Does that look like flour?
Yeah.
Okay. But wait, we're gonna measure it. So we'll get just how much we need. Half a cup. So this is a 1. We have a 1 and a 4. We have a 1/4 cup, so we need 2 of these, okay? But it's gotta get all the way full. Here, let me help you. Let go for a second. There's one. Okay. It's okay. That little thing is going on. There we go. Now we'll just dump that last little bit. Don't waste it. Okay? Now we need the almond flour. We need 1 whole cup of this. This big one. Can you get it all the way to the top? Look, see, it's not full all the way. You see that? So let's just. There we go. Dump that in there. Perfect. Yep. Wait. Don't forget. So now we need to add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda, which is that one. Is that what we get? So that one's got to be all the way full. It's all the way down there at the bottom. Oh, it's even not quite full. Okay. Oh. There's more, huh? There you go. Dump it in. Okay, stop. Put that into the ingredients, okay? Now we need a teaspoon of this one, so we need 2 of those. So scoop it up so it's like a mountain. And then we go like this. One. Okay, and another one. Scoop some up like a mountain again. And there we go. Then we need 2. We need 2 cinnamons. One. Oh, we didn't. Dump that in. Now we're gonna do one. Well, because you dumped part of it back into everything. Okay. It says Well, we need this. Hey, the blender. Because these are, look, they're big. We're going to chop them up so they're a little bit smaller, okay? You need to know walnuts are really good for you. Well, it's right here. Oh. I want the blender. Okay. Okay, go. Stop. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, we don't want as big as they were, but we don't want them like dusty or hot. This much. Can I do it? Dump it out. Should we throw these in too? Should we just dump them in? There we go. Okay. So while you stir that, put up the apple, okay? No, I got.
Alright, Mattis, what are you trying out? What kind of muffin? Here, I'll hold that part while you try that piece that came off. What do you think? Is it yummy? Oh, good. We'll have to make more? Okay. Alright. If you love family-friendly recipes, homeschooling inspiration, and natural living tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more fun in the kitchen. Let's get baking.